children and I decided to stay in the house this weekend because we had done a lot this week, and also we got a lot more to do next week. So right now we're just watching a movie. I just came up here to tell everybody thank you for all my everybody that subscribed to my channel, that comment, like, and subscribe. Your girl is still in action. I will be posting a lot next week, and y'all stick with me. Bye.